Hey guys, Beardicus here. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the i5 9600KF 9th gen CPU from Intel. Now, no barks included. This is a 6-core 6-thread CPU, and this is a one-take video, so all that barking that you hear comes free of charge. So make sure you like this video. Yeah, here we go. i5 Intel processor. I have no idea why they include that there unless you want to disassemble the thing. No idea. Maybe I should make a video on that. Why Intel includes a thick little booklet with their CPUs. Okay. This is a Chinese puzzle, this one. Ugh. Oh, hang on. Oh, I've got action. I'm getting there. Okay, we're in. So there we go. That's the Intel Core i5 9600KF. So like I said, it's a 6-core 6-thread CPU. It runs at 3.7 gigahertz, but will turbo up to 4.6. It's using the 1155. Is it 1155? 1151 maybe? Jeez, they're so confusing. 1151, sorry. 1151 pin configuration. And unlike the AMD ones, they're not actually pins. You'll see there, or maybe you'll see, but they're just little pads. So you don't want to damage those at all. And there's all the little bits underneath. Very, very tiny CPU. So yeah, compared to Threadripper and all that sort of thing, a lot smaller. Anyway, this is a pretty basic video. It's just purely to show the unboxing of this. There is a main video over on my TechWizTime channel that will showcase this in a build. Oh, hang on. It goes like that. Sweet. Yeah, it'll showcase it in a build, and it is to... it'll have all these cool components in it. Right now, brain no worky, so this is what you get. This channel is more about my personality as well as my skills at unboxing. So I'm failing miserably at that at the moment. But like I said, this is a one-take channel. There's nothing that I probably won't include except for me standing up and being naked. I don't really want to appear on YouTube naked, not yet. It's too early in my career. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the i5 9600KF Intel CPU from the 9th gen. 10th gen is on the way. I'm sure Intel are really excited about that. I am. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share it with all your friends. If you're interested in more professional tech videos where I don't ramble and talk crap and give you my bubbly personality, then yeah, make sure you subscribe to TechWizTime. All right, with that said, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.